Let's begin by learning how to manage weight discrepancies. Start by navigating to weight discrepancy on the left side panel. A weight discrepancy arises when the actual weight of a shipment exceeds the weight passed during order creation. Here, you'll see all new discrepancies. It will display the details such as the product in question, the weight you recorded, the charged weight, and any excess weight and charges related to the product. Some discrepancies are automatically disputed on your behalf by Velocity using AI. If a dispute is not accepted within a week, it will be automatically accepted and shown here. You'll see all your discrepancies listed here. Your open discrepancies can be found under Open Discrepancies in the Overview section. Any disputes automatically raised by Velocity Shipping's AI appear here. You'll also find any disputes you've raised that are awaiting resolution by the 3PL. Additionally, all of your closed discrepancies are shown in this section.